Once again, welcome to all of you there. Today we will continue with the session number 3 of Unit 2. Session name is Share and Review a Spreadsheet. In this session, we will cover these many topics. Set up a spreadsheet for sharing, open and save a shared spreadsheet, record changes, add, edit and format the comments, review changes, view, accept or reject changes, merge and compare sheets. These many topics we can understand with the help of two different softwares. We will understand first OpenOffice. After that, we will go to the Microsoft Excel 2007 because some of the options are not given in Microsoft Excel 2007. So for this, I have to prepare video to complete all the topics which has given by the CBSE in this session. For this, we need one more software that is called OpenOffice Calc. So with the help of Calc software, we can understand, set up a spreadsheet for sharing, open and save a shared spreadsheet, and record changes. Let's start. Now, first question is arise: why we need share a spreadsheet? Sharing is important when two or more than two persons want to work with the same workbook at the same time. But till now, we know one person can sit in a system and they can do work. Suppose that there is a project on MS Excel or in spreadsheet, you can say either it is in Calc software or in Microsoft, whatever, but you simply say that the spreadsheet based software and there are 4 members in a group. They are working together to complete this project. At the same time, they all want to work together on the same spreadsheet. For that reason, we need to share our same workbook with all the members. Suppose that 4 members are working like A, B, C, D. So A, B, C and D, these people want same spreadsheet in her or his computer system. So for this, we need to share. Now again the question will arise, how we will share same workbook with all the members. If we share same workbook through the email, then its multiple copies are generated. So there is a big confusion. How we will collaborate all these versions together. For this, we need this concept. Set up a spreadsheet for sharing. So now in this session, we will understand how we set up for sharing. This PDF file will help you to set up a spreadsheet for sharing. For sharing, first of all, you have to go in the Tools menu bar and then select Share Document option. Once you click on this, you will get a Shared Document dialog box. Here there is a checkbox. You check this checkbox and enable this feature and then click on OK button. Once you checked it and click on OK, now your document, or you can say your spreadsheet, is shared, and shared word came after the name of your file. Let's see with the help of example. Here this is a software, OpenOffice Calc software. Its name is Untitled 1. This is a blank sheet. Here I want to create a sheet and we want to make it shared. So first of all, add some data in it like 1600, 2000, 1800 like this, and then click on the file and save this workbook. Now save this file. Its name is, suppose that I am writing its name is S1 and folder name is share and review of worksheet. Then click on OK. The save button. Now file is saved with name s1.ods. Then I want to make it share, so go to the tools and then click on share document. Once you click on share document, you will get a shared document dialog box. There is a checkbox. Check this checkbox. Now note, once you share this, these many options are disabled, which are written here. Okay, and then click on OK button. Now, do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Okay, see this. Now shared word appear at the right side of the name of the file. It means now our file is in shared mode. Once you open a shared spreadsheet, you will see these many options are disabled. Means after a shared document, when you make your document as a shared, then these many options are disabled. Means these many options will not enable, means you do not use these options while your sheet is shared. Just you can see here. Now this time it is in shared mode, and go to the insert and there is a picture option. In picture from file, this is disabled. It is written here. Now you can verify it. Picture, there it is. See this, insert picture from file, means insert option, picture, and then from file, this option is disabled. So you can understand all these options are disabled once your file is in shared mode. Now see, this file is in shared mode. Next is saving a shared spreadsheet. When you have a shared spreadsheet, one of the following situations may occur. If the document was not modified and saved by another user, since you opened it, the document is saved. Because here in the shared mode, more than one person can work at the same time. So that's why these types of problems will occur. So these are the various points which will happen during the saving mode of shared spreadsheet. The second point is, if the document was modified and saved by another user since you opened it, one of the following events will occur. Either first one, second one. If you change do not conflict, if the changes do not conflict, the document is saved. The dialog box will appear and any cell modified by the other user are shown with the red border. Let's see. We can see this option with the new file which is unshared mode. So let's understand how we will remove this shared option from this s1.ods file. So go to the tools menu and then share document. Uncheck this box. Once you click uncheck, then click on OK. Now see, do you want to continue? One message will pop up. Then click on yes. Now see, this shared file is removed. Means this is in original. Now after that, you have to open your new file and work with this. Fill some data here like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. After that, save your file in the same folder and write its name like original. Then click on save button. Now your file is saved with original. Again you have to save this same file with other name, and this time you have to write its file name is change.ods. Click on save. Now this file is saved with change name. Then modify some data here. So in that place, in the place of 500, I want to write 450, and after that I want to write 600. Then click on save button. Once you click on save button, then you have to go to the edit and select compare document. You now compare document. So which file you want to compare? So before that, first of all, you have to open your original file, because in that file, in the change file, I have done some changes. Open your original file. This is the original file, and then now you have to compare your original file with the change file, and then click on open. Now see this. It shows a red color boxes. That means here's some modification you have done. See this. Means this is the name of the user, date and time, at what time, in what date you have changed. Then cell A5 changed from 450 to 500, means its value is from starting 450, now change to 500. Here this is deleted in the original. It means that in change file there is two values, means in here A5, in cell A5 value is 450 and here the value is 600. And if you want to accept this data, you click on the accept. If you don't want to this data, you click on reject. Similarly, if modification more than one line modification, so accept all if you want to accept, and reject all if you want to remove. Then close. This time I don't want to do, so click on reject. Now see. Now red color line is removed. Next is record changes. So this topic we can understand from here. Recording changes. You can use several methods to record changes that you or other make to a document. You can use change mark to show added material, deleted material, and changes to formatting. So how can we do? Come here in the file. This is the original file. Here some values are given. Suppose that I want to make changes in cell number A2 from 200 to 150. See, nothing will happen. Change we have done easily, but no mark is appeared. So this mark will appear once I open, check this, enable this record option. The record option you will get from the edit menu. Click on changes and then select record. See, if you want to change this cell value from 400 to 450, after the modification, see here there is red border will appear and one comment is written here. That means the cell A4 changed from 400 to 450. Through this, user can understand which of the cell is modified, where data is added, or from where data is deleted. Now we will see how we disable this record option. Again, you have to go to the edit menu and then select changes and disable this record, means uncheck this record. It pop up a message, exit change record mode. Yes, I want to exit. So now this red color border is disappeared, and then save your file. Next topic is edit, add, edit and format the comment. Means manually you can also add comment here. How will you do? Simply you have to select a particular cell and change the value, like from 100 to 50, 150, and then right click in it and then click insert. Once you click insert, instead of insert you have to click on insert comment. Once you click on insert comment, a box will appear. Here you have to write from 100 to 150, means value is changed from 100 to 150. Once you hover the mouse cursor on cell number A1, you will see the comment. You can insert comment from insert menu also. There is a comment, and the shortcut key for comment is Control plus Alt plus C. Suppose that you want to edit your comment, so select the cell and right click on it, and then again click on Insert Comment. Now insert comment, this comment dialog box will appear. Here you have to increase your comment like my test. This is the text box. Then see, it is edited. And if you want to format this, so simply go to the insert comment and then select this, and from here you have to increase its size like this, bold, underline, italic, whatever you want to do, you can use from here. It is clear? And suppose that you want to delete your comment, so simply select the cell and delete comment option. Now this comment is deleted. Next topic is our review changes. In that, three things are there: view, accept or reject changes. For this, I have prepared one Excel sheet. Content are here like 150, 150, 550, 450, 500, 600. The file name is original.ods. For doing or for working with this option, review changes, first of all, you have to enable record option. For that, click on edit and changes, select record. After that, update any one data which you want to modify or which you want to update. So in that place, in place of 550, I want to change from 550 to 600 like this. Once I update this value and see here, now red box is appeared. In that it's written like cell A3 change from 550 to 600. Then after that, go to the edit option again, and from the changes menu, submenu, select accept and reject option. Now accept and reject changes dialog box will appear. In that it shows change content, position number in sheet number 1 and A3 cell address, change by author name, when it is modified, the date and time are given, and then what change we have done, value from 550 to 600. What things, this complete description it provides here. And then if you want to keep this change, then click on accept. Suppose that you want to reject, don't want to save this modification, click on reject. If there are more than one changes, then click accept, or if you want to keep, otherwise click on reject all option. So this time I don't want to save this file, so click on reject. Once you click reject, you will see the changes here. Now it get back from 600 to 550, its original position. Now the summary is created, accepted summary and the rejected summary. Both the summaries are created here. See this. Now first time when modification is done, so 650 to 550. Now 550 to 600. This is the reject. Clear? Next topic, merge and compare sheets. This topic we have done earlier. So all the topics we have covered here: set up a spreadsheet for sharing, open and save shared spreadsheet, record changes, add, edit, format the comment, review changes, view, accept and reject changes, merge and compare sheet. All these topics we have covered. I think no doubt in that video in these topics. If you have any confusion, please ask me. Thank you, class.